Hello! This is just a quick message to say thank you to all the subscribers. I didn't think that I'd actually get this many so far. Now, as you all know, YouTube doesn't really do a play button for, any of the smaller numbers. It's like 100,000 or so. So, in spirit of like wedding anniversary, where you get the various lower ranges ones, I thought that I would come up with my own. So, for 50 subscribers, I have a cheese on toast with corned beef. I suppose you want it that way around for the play button. And that will be my 50 subscriber special play button. Cheers. Special effects. It's a good play button. Very tasty.